Zip. Today we're looking at this really nice neutral density filter from Freewell. It comes with 3 NDs, 8, 16, 32, and a small cleaning cloth. Inside the box is this plastic case. I wish it's magnetic like my other ND filters, but it is not. You have to pry this open it up to see the ND filters, 8, 16, and 32. It comes with 2 of these metal mount adapters. Instead of clamping onto the Neo's camera, this sticks. First, remove the white paper cover. Hold the gimbal in place and then press the metal mounts in slowly. Make sure it goes in the center, of course. Here you can see that I've already installed it. It's very important that you hold the gimbal in place as you press the metal mount onto. You do not want to mess up the gimbal motor because it is very delicate. Once it's on the camera, you can just pop any ND filters you want on. Here's the number 8. This filter is not super heavy, but heavy enough that it will instantly swing the camera downward. So I would assume that the Neo will spend some energy, will consume some battery life to keep the camera balanced. I don't know why they gave us 2 of these magnetic attachments. Hopefully your Neo won't crash and then you lose the metal attachments along with the ND filter. It's working as advertised for me so far though. The metal mount has not fallen off during flights and I have not crashed the drone. By the way, if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This lets YouTube know my video is indeed helpful and will recommend to others like yourself. To remove the filter, hold the gimbal in place and then yank the ND filter out. You definitely don't want to yank it without holding the gimbal, otherwise it might damage the gimbal. On the ND filters, there are labels to let you know which one, but as you can see, it is super tiny, very small, and I have lousy eyes. I always put them back in the same position that I pop them out. That way I know exactly what filters I'm getting out of the box without having to read anything. If you're curious, can you stack the filters? Well, I don't know. This is my first time doing it. So the answer is yes. But as you know, doing so will add more weight. The gimbal, the camera, will automatically just fall down instantly, like so. So yeah, I would think that adding more filters will consume more battery life, because this gimbal is going to try its best to balance the camera while flying. Having ND filter makes sense only when you are flying the Neo 2 with the remote controller or motion controller, as I previously showed you how. If you fly with hand gestures or phone, then it does not make much sense. You might not see much image improvement, if any, at all. ND filters are for control freaks like myself that want absolute control over shutter speed and frame rate. I am using the Goggle N3 along with the motion controller. In the camera settings, I got the shutter speed to 1/120. Frame rates at 4K and 60 frames per second. Out on my deck, it is a very bright day, so the image is washed out. As I put on the ND16, the image looks a lot better. It's perfect to go flying now. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.